Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss about singleton class, or we can say this is a very VIP class in Java, and this is very important for the interviews or for understanding the creational uh, process of the objects in Java. So this is a singleton design pattern also, or we can say singleton class, or we can say this is the singleton design pattern. Both are the same thing, guys. So before going to singleton design pattern, we will see what is the design patterns. So usually, guys, there are multiple design patterns available in Java. So mainly it is three categories. One is creational design pattern, and one is structural design pattern, and another is behavioral design pattern, guys. So if see in the creational design pattern, we have five types like singleton design pattern, factory method, abstract factory, builder, and prototype. So singleton is just a part of one creational design pattern, like one design pattern into the creational design pattern, guys. And there are another also four, like factory, abstract factory, builder, and prototype. These are also creational design pattern. So if we see structural design pattern, there are adapter is there, bridge is there, composite is there, decorator pattern is there, facade pattern is there, and flyweight pattern is there, proxy pattern is there. Same way if we see in behavioral design patterns, this is also important guys for low level design. So chain of responsibility pattern, command pattern, interpreter pattern, iterator pattern, mediator pattern, memento, and observer pattern, and state pattern, and template method pattern. Yes. So total design patterns are around 22 design patterns, guys. But today we are going to discuss just one singleton design pattern that is called singleton class or singleton design pattern. So let's going to the proper details, guys. So here is the main like definition of the singleton class or singleton design pattern. So singleton design pattern is a creational design pattern, and this design pattern is useful when exactly one object is created or required across the whole application or system for any class. So guys, usually in Java, when we create any class, so we can create number of objects, like lakhs of objects for one class. But singleton design pattern says that we have to design a class in a such way that we will be create only one object of that class. We cannot create again of object for that class, guys. So also there are like multiple built-in classes also, like the example like managing resources, and like here are database connection, thread pool. For this process, controlling share state, this is mainly use singleton design pattern, guys. While we design singleton class or singleton design pattern, we follow usually some steps. We have to provide a private constructor to prevent instantiation outside, and we have to provide a private static variable to hold the single instance of the class, and a public static method that returns the instance, ensuring lazy initialization. And fourth, we can provide the thread safety measures like synchronized block for preventing from the multi-threaded environment, guys. So here is the example, simple example of singleton class, but I will explain in very like mm, in very clear way, guys, into code. So before that, I will just give some brief like core logic behind the singleton, guys. So this is suppose that we take one example of iPhone. So iPhone usually, suppose iPhone 16 came, right? So usually what they will, one iPhone class is there, but there are multiple objects. Like if you go into any iPhone store, anyone will get the different objects. But usually this is the iPhone 16 object only. By one class, it will be created like all the other objects of this iPhone 16. And everywhere, like it will be using like different objects, guys. But it will be created from the same class. And so many lakhs of iPhone is like selling from the iPhone store or iPhone factory. But in singleton class, what happens, guys? Suppose any VIP person goes, okay. Suppose any VIP person, like here we are creating iPhone classes, guys. I will show you in first little. First, let's understand. Suppose that in our like in some iPhone store, any VIP person goes. Let us suppose uh, Mrs. Ambani. Let us suppose Miss Neeta Ambani went to iPhone store and she want to buy one new iPhone. So, do you think like she will take the same common iPhone, what is designed for everyone, or like what are some common features with the iPhone? Definitely, she will look for some specific kind of iPhone which will have some special features. Like and also the uh, iPhone like uh, that iPhone factory people also will suggest that man please buy this the very special iPhone for you we have designed, or she can also request for you design a such phone that it will have gold plated or diamond plated, and it will have most secured phone, and it will be unique design, and also it can be costly, most costly. So they will uh, offer this kind of special design, like we can say very personalized design iPhone for some VIP people, or we can say some special persons, and also some require based on the requirement also, guys. So I'm not talking about the person specific. It depends on the requirement specific, guys. If we talk about person, so every God has created to every person is special, guys. Everyone have unique features and unique personality. So every person is special. But he's talking about the requirement purpose. Here they will order some specific, like some very VIP kind of phone. They will have very rich feature of the phone. They will order like this, and now they like iPhone factory will design a special iPhone for them, and they will create the gold-plated iPhone for them. So let's how it is getting created into class, guys. I will show you the example in IntelliJ. So here I have created one class iPhone factory, and I have created main method. So inside like I have in main method I'm creating both the object which is the common iPhone 16, and which are having like special iPhone, like special gold iPhone. So gold I have created two classes different. One is class iPhone. I in iPhone I am just giving one field like private string phone name, and I'm providing normal constructor like public constructor only. We are setting the phone name, and I am providing the getter setter method. And here I am providing one special class now. So this is the singleton class, guys. Because of for some specific request or for from some special request, I have designed this class. So this will create only the gold iPhone. class. So suppose they are like any one person is requesting for the gold iPhone. So this gold iPhone object will be created from this gold iPhone, not by this common iPhone object, guys. So let's see how, see, this is implementation is different, very simple. And this is some different, guys, some specific implementation it is given. So here what we are doing, here we are taking one like private static and volatile instance of this gold phone class type reference we have taken, just singleton reference static we are giving so that it will be accessed globally, and we are here we are taking a private constructor so that it will mm, object of this special gold class or singleton class outside this class cannot be created using new keyword. And now we have provided this. This is the global factory method. You can see it will provide the global access to singleton instance by static method, guys. So I have created public static gold phone get instance. So here we are providing synchronized block, so preventing multiple threads, guys. We are providing a lock so that only one thread will be able to access these codes. Like we are providing block label lock. This providing a lock that only one thread will be entered into the block at a time. We are providing this synchronized block. And first it will check if it is the gold instance is null, then only it is going to create new object, guys. It will double time it will check, if it is null, then only it is going to create new gold iPhone. Otherwise the same gold instance will be returning always when your this get instance method will be invoked. So let us see into the main method, guys, how we are calling and how I will compare this both type of iPhone, how these are different. So here this is the main class having main method, guys, and this is the iPhone normal class, iPhone normal feature having, and this is the gold iPhone. It will having a special gold iPhone feature, guys. So here we are creating the object of this iPhone first. So iPhone 1 equal to a new iPhone, and just we are creating object iPhone 16. Likewise we have created three objects. Now we have to see how these three objects are there. So I am printing this iPhone like get phone name, it will same name it will show, but here printing the hash code. We if we see we are providing the same iPhone 16, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 for all the objects, but it will provide a different hash code for all the iPhones, new iPhones, guys. And here, because this is not a singleton class, guys, and also we are directly creating using new keyword this object, because this is not singleton, directly we can create using new keyword this object. But if we talk about the creating object of this singleton class gold iPhone, guys, if we are creating the object of gold iPhone, so here see this we are we are declaring the gold iPhone reference variable. This side we are creating the object of the gold iPhone. But here we are not using any new keyword, guys. If we see here we are using new keyword, but here we are not using new keyword for creating the object. We are just calling the get instance method. Get instance method will return this get instance method will return this get gold instance object, guys, there. automatically, like here, without new we cannot create the object. This is the main thing. Internally it is creating and it is sending the object here, guys. But here we are not using new keyword directly, we are calling the get instance. But here in this method implementation we have used the new keyword only. This is the way only to create object, but we are just calling here by get instance method. So here, after creating the, see here two object we have created. Suppose iPhone Gold 1, iPhone Gold 2, and we are printing their hash code. So guys, see this hash code. If we are printing hash code for this, all three objects, the hash code will be different, guys. But if we are printing the hash code of this singleton class, always it will be same hash code. It will return, guys. Gold iPhone first the singleton class and for the normal class. So let's see by running what will be the output. So see guys, this is the hash code for the iPhone 16. So iPhone first, suppose this is the 806, and for second iPhone it is 673. For third it is 567. So it says that for normal class, what we are writing in Java, we can create lakhs of objects. We can create infinite number of objects. It will always create a different object. It will not same object will not be reused. But for singleton case, for singleton class or for gold iPhone, they see this is the hash code, same hash code two times it is getting created. And how many times it will be like created, but they will same object only will be used, guys. Suppose we called once more, suppose here, let's see. Once, twice, thrice more. So it is not going to create any new object, guys. It will always creating the same object. See guys, now I am running for suppose in singleton class, how many objects will be created, how many hash code will be returned. Okay guys, here I think some that happened. Okay, see now. So now if we can see in singleton class, we are creating five times. We are calling get instance method. So we are creating five times get instance or like singleton object, but it is returning the same hash code or same object, guys. Like 607, 607, 607, 607. So this is the like core concept of the singleton class. How many times that class will be used, that object will be used, it will be returned the same object, guys, in the application. I hope now the concept is clear. So if you guys have any doubt related this topic, you can ping me or you can chat me or you can just comment to me. Definitely will reply, guys. So here if we talk about the total design patterns like in Java, there are like all the design patterns. There are around 22 design patterns total available in three categories. So basically, I have discussed only just for the singleton design pattern as of now, guys. And later we will discuss all other design pattern also for understanding in the depth of design pattern. But just first learn the singleton design pattern because this is the most important, guys. If you go to any interview, like any MNC like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, IBM, Capgemini, HCL, any company you go, out of 10, in 8 interviews, this question will be definitely asked, guys. And if you understand singleton design pattern properly, then on the basis of the singleton design pattern, you can understand all other 22 design pattern, guys. Otherwise, if you don't understand the singleton design pattern itself, so you will be getting confused in all other design pattern also. So first, you just like implement the singleton logic and try to run by yourself and try to understand the logic, and then definitely you will able to understand all other design patterns very easily, all other also. Okay, guys, so I think this was clear. So that's all for today's topic, guys. So thanks for watching this video so far. Have a nice day, guys. Please share your valuable feedback and inputs about this video, guys. Here, one thing I wanted to add, guys, if you want any specific topic about Java or about like in Java logic or anything in any question about the Java interview or how to crack the interviews or how to like choose company, like which company is better to go with, and what are the coding language most demanding or which we need to learn. If you guys have any doubt, any kind of question regarding this, you can ask me. So accordingly, I will create videos about those topic, guys. And also, like if you want any special like a specific topic into in Java or Spring Boot, Hibernate, or microservices, anything you can ping me or comment me. Definitely, I will create some useful video about that, guys. Okay, so that's all for today's mm, class, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Have a nice day.